The man accused of killing his child's aunt during a custody exchange testified in his own defense today.
Dorian Thomas gave a demonstration of what he says happened, and jurors got to hear the 911 calls from March 2024 that day. CBS 17's Barron James joins us live from the Johnson County Courthouse with more on this. Barron.
Yeah, Liz and Russ, practically all day the jury has been listening to the at times emotional, tearful, and very dramatic testimony of the defendant as he described the circumstances surrounding both before, after, and during the fatal shooting. Take a look at this video here. Of course, you'll see Dorian there, Thomas, on the stand in his own defense, testifying Wednesday that when his ex-fiancée, Hillary Lombardi, and her sister, Emily Steinhoff, came to his house that day to pick up his young daughter, the little girl's mom was drunk and belligerent. Thomas testified that he had his gun on him when the sisters arrived on his front porch out of fear of what Lombardi might do based on her past behavior. Then during some tense moments, he tearfully testified in court his gun went off, but that he didn't know initially that Emily Steinhoff had been shot, as he and neighbors who had rushed over examined her, and even after Thomas called 911 for help, he said he still didn't know. The jury also got to watch a video of Thomas in the police department interrogation room after being taken into custody, where he talked about the gunshot residue on his hand, and once again admitting his gun went off accidentally when he, as he demonstrated in court, showed how he says his ex came at him, and when he tried to strong-arm her, she grabbed the gun, he testified. Also on cross, he talked about how on that day he was in an emotionally heightened state practically all of that day, as he said his ex was texting him, talking about coming over, his warning her not to come over because his daughter was asleep and so on and so forth. But when she got there, he said that she also had been threatening him that, quote, hell's angels were going to assassinate him. Right now, one of those neighbors is on the stand testifying as this trial continues, going on now for 9 days, expected to wrap up sometime this week.